Good evening, ma'am. I, De La Cruz Danilo Jr. D of BS Criminology Trade. So, I'm going to discuss to you my own intervention delinquency prevention program. So, before that, I'm going to give you my overview in my own program. So, let's start. There's a scene that 15 and 16 years old commit a crime. So, that crime is naksak po sila ng kagaya po nilang bata or a delinquent child na kung saan is the act and discernment. So, itong discernment na is alam nila na mali ang kanilang ginawa. So, alam din po nila na there's a consequence from what they did. So, dahil po dyan is alam natin ang batas is hindi po agad nakukulong ng isang bata or a minor. So, they will undergo in diversion proceedings. So, this diversion proceedings is about it appears in 45 days. So, kukulong po sila about 45 days lang po. Na kung saan itong 45 days na po ito is tuturuan po sila about intervention and seminar lang po. And this is supervised by DSWD. So, about po sa side po ni Senator Tulfo na hindi po siya agree sa RA 9344 Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act na kung saan is kapag ang bata commit ng crime is hindi po siya nakukulong. So, I agree to him because intervention is not enough. So, kailangan meron pa rin na pinapataw na mas ma-adapt ng bata na para magbago. Like example po is the community service program na aking naisip po is dito po is pwede po silang matuto. Like example ko po is tree planting na kung saan is isa na rin po yun para maging parusa sa kanilang maling ginawa. So anything na kung saan is magiging productive po sila. Kaysa naman na babasahan lang po sila o tuturuan lang po sila ng DSWD or any religious na kung saan is tuturuan po sila at pagtapos po is minsan hindi po nila na tututunan o na papasok sa kanilang sarili. Minsan tinatawanan na lang po nila. So dahil po doon hindi po ako agree masyado sa intervention lamang. So kailangan po talaga ng programa na kung saan is matututo po sila. Ay lamang po.